Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we're gonna show you how to make this very beautiful gift box. It's gonna be budget free, elegant and very easy to make. You can make it in the last minute and gift it to your loved ones. Let's begin. First, you'll be needing one empty box. This is the date box and this is the one which I had available. You can use whatever box you have available. And of the dimensions of the box, a bit bigger than it, you will be needing to cut out 2 pairs of cardboard according to the dimensions of the box. And I have cut out a heart on a cardboard, and from within the big heart I have also cut out a smaller heart. And you can see I've also covered the edges with masking tape. This will be the exposing sides, which will be ensuring that the exposing side is smooth. I have also covered the corners of the box with masking tape as well, which will give it a smooth look. I'll be using pink and red crepe paper for covering and white glue. First, I'll be making the outer box. This will be the arrangement, and we will glue it using the hot glue gun. We have glued it, and you can see this is how it looks. After gluing them, I'll be again using masking tape for smoother edges. Next, we'll be covering it with pink crepe paper. The outer box is complete. The next step what we have to do is cover the inner box. I'll be using red crepe paper for it. Okay, it's almost complete, as you can see here. Now only the decoration is remaining. I'll be using these as the knob. Then I'll be gluing the hearts on as decoration. I have also covered them with shredded crepe paper. Next, I have cut one straw into 2 halves. We'll be sticking one at the top and one at the bottom. And your drawer box is complete. Hope you liked the video. Remember to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.